Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hey you guys, happy Saturday, and it's day 40.
Oh my
I
gosh,
know.
day 40.
I know, I can't
Wow.
believe it's day
Wow.
40.
Yeah.
And on Saturdays, usually we do a seed update in our greenhouse back there, but we thought we'd take you out with us, and actually we keep complaining about getting our seedlings in the ground, so we're gonna do it today.
Doing it today. So we've got some lettuce, we've got some spinach, we've also got some radishes and some turnips. Oh, and broccoli and cauliflower, right? Yeah. So we're gonna get all those in the ground today, in our raised beds in our backyard, and we're gonna show you. So that's what we're up to today. Hey, by the way, go ahead and hit subscribe to make sure that you get all our latest updates on our videos.
We want to show you where we're going to plant everything. So let's take a look. So here are all of the seedlings. All of these we grew in our greenhouse from seed.
Yeah, isn't this cool, you guys? Look at all this.
Look at this, we're so excited. As you can see, we plant in rows, as you probably do as well, but we're gonna try staggering them to make a little more space for what we have.
Yep, gonna take advantage of that space, and you should always do the same too.
We're gonna put all the spinach on kind of this end, sprinkled in with a bunch of our lettuce greens. We're gonna do a couple rows of carrots right through the middle here. Turnips come next, and then in the back will be radishes.
Yeah. So, and we placed them like this because of how tall the plants are actually going to get. So the taller ones are in the back. Over here is the back side, from the sun, tracking this way across. And so the tall ones are in the back so they don't shade out the smaller ones, and everybody's happy.
All right, ready to do this?
Let's do this.